Today is the day. I'm gonna remove the soles from these shoes. What we do next is we separate these layers. As you can see, there is a welt, there is a plastic midsole, the hard one, and there is sole. So what we do, we take these pliers and we try to remove the soles. And it doesn't work. So probably I should grab a knife, make a cut. As you can see, the midsole is separating from the welt, and I did not necessarily want to remove the midsole. So I'll make a cut right on the edge of plastic midsole. It will make the process more easy for us. And we will stick the nose of pliers in this piece. And now it starts separated. It's not as easy as it might seem on some YouTube videos. The sole is falling apart and I will not be able to remove it fully. I will still need to grind its pieces. But as you can see, the stitch between midsole and welt is good. It's not very tight. For some reason. So I'll take this apart completely. I hope you can see it well. I'm cutting stitches between the welt and the midsole, the plastic midsole. Here it is, and here is wedge sole. So here is a cork. Here we have the sole removed. It looks like it doesn't have shrunk. It has cork. We'll need to clean off this cork. And we'll replace it with a new cork, or maybe with a piece of leather. I don't know. To clean old cork. It actually hold on pretty well. In some places. In some, it's just falling apart. And the insole is wet. And as you can imagine, the shoe is Goodyear welted, 360 degree, which most of engineers is 270 degree welded, and there is a back piece for the heel. I'll continue cleaning off camera, and then I'll show you the finished result. So the final result of disassembly. Clean weld all around the boot. The deconstruction of one boot took about 1 hour. 10 minutes to cut the sole. About 20 minutes to clean the cork with flat screwdriver, and about 15-20 minutes to clean the stitches from the weld. In next series we'll be adding a cork or a piece of leather in here and closing it with another piece of leather. So subscribe to my channel and have a nice day.